Greetings folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's, and today I'm going to show you guys the Napoleon. This is the NZ5000 model. So this is going to be a zero clearance fireplace, which can be directly built into your wall. You can frame up to it with combustible materials. So this is actually going to be an open burning fireplace. So it is going to be a EPA exempt model. So this is going to be definitely a more contemporary style. It's not quite linear, so you get a nice tall firebox viewing area. It does come standard with a fire screen option. So this is pretty cool to have. It slides right up here for easy access. Now it does have a nice wide firebox in here. Your damper control is actually going to be located right here on the bottom. Now again, because this is an EPA exempt category, you do have that damper control in there, but you're not going to really be able to damper it down to get those nice long burn times that you're going to get out of a high efficiency unit. You do have the andirons in here to keep the logs from rolling forward. This is going to be a refractory lining, so you do have refractory on the sides and on the rear of the unit. The bottom of the firebox is also going to have a refractory lining as well. So again, this is the Napoleon, the NZ5000 zero clearance fireplace. I hope that you guys found this product overview helpful. If you did, if you like our videos, please don't forget, give us a thumbs up, share them with your friends, share them like wildfire on the internet. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. God bless. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.